Introducing Taco Playbits, the world's first screen-free smart connected toy.
Red.
Designed to introduce
Blue.
children to screen-free tangible coding,
Congratulations.
Taco encourages learning through hands-on tactile play.
Let's play Music Creator and Magic Colors.
Its portable and versatile design can be taken virtually anywhere, so your children can record their own musical pieces, solve number games, learn their ABCs, and much more. Simply tap on the coding chips with the Smart Taco wand and enter a magical world of fun and creation. Each of Taco's 10 unique games is designed to help your young one develop pivotal lifelong skills for the modern world, learning the alphabet, math, and pattern recognition. Parents and educators can customize the Taco wand by recording your own questions in any language or accent. The Taco wand is your child's key to unlocking their inner genius. By playing with Taco, your child will learn in a fun, creative way. Empower your child to be an independent thinker. Inspire them to be their best. Trust the Taco Playbits, the STEM toy wand.